So day one of practicing pranayama every day for 30 days. I want to share with you my pranayama journey. If you don't know, by the way, pranayama means breathing technique. And every single day for 30 days, you will be able to watch this pranayama practice on seekyoga.sutra.com. Every day, pranayama, couple of rules that you need to follow. First rule is do your pranayama practice first thing in the morning before you do anything else. You can have a cup of tea or a cup of coffee and then, brush your teeth and freshen up or take a shower. And then after that, you come down on your floor bolster, on top of the bolster, that one here. You're gonna need a bolster, or if you can't sit down on a bolster like that, you can use a chair or anywhere like that. Where I'm staying right now in bed, right? Anything that your spine will be nice and straight. So because you want to promote a straight spine alignment when you're practicing the pranayama. I'm gonna be down there in a bit. But this is the drill. The rule is do it first thing in the morning before you go to work for 30 days. Every single day. You cannot miss a day. And this is the goal. Every single day pranayama practice for 30 days in a row. Second thing is